Cadet Lopez Village Lopez po. And my
And-
body is
And I'm Cadet Dimailig Francis Mario Nino M.
from
from Southwestern College of Maritime Business and Technology.
And
Good evening.
sir, ano?
Game na ba yan?
Ay sir, naka-video po kami.
Nakabidyo kami, sir.
Sino sa yung picture.
Ano picture?
Saan ka sa'yo? So, yung itatanong po namin is about sa how the implementation and monitoring of the safety practices and procedure are conducted on board their vessel as per SMS po. Sir, first question po namin ay how do you follow the safety management system or SMS on your ship?
First, I read the SMS manual of the company to be familiarized para masunod natin yung mga checklist on board, mga safety procedure, and safe operation guidelines nila.
Sir, the next question is, what kind of safety drills do you do on board and how often?
On board, we have a lot of drills to be followed, like fire drill, abandon ship, man overboard, marami. Tapos, we follow it often, mga drills, lagi yun na monthly. Nandun naman sa namin, mga checklist namin. Sa Matrix Company, nandun lahat yung every month drill, tapos may every 3 months.
Sir, putulin po namin yung pagtatanong. Nakalimutan po namin na pwede po ba kayong magpakilala para po maano po namin ba?
Pakita din po namin.
I'm training third mate, Gary De Leon, Baliwag Navigation. Bali, mag-on board ako July 14.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you, sir. The third question po is how do you make sure the crew knows what to do during emergencies?
Emergencies. Ulit ang question?
Sir. How do you make sure the crew knows what to do during emergencies?
Lahat naman ng crew, every crew on board, kahit bagong sakay ka lang, kailangan mapamiliarize ka sa SMS, sa mga life saving, safety equipment, and how to operate. Every crew has duties and responsibilities sa barko na pwede mo naman basahin sa cabin, may mga essential ka para malaman mo yung mga duties and responsibilities mo during the emergency.
Fourth question, sir. What do you do if someone break a safety rule or doesn't something unsafe?
If I see someone is unsafe, I will stop him because yun na yung magiging near-miss na pwedeng maging accident.
The sixth question,
Fifth.
Question po is how do you check if the safety rules and system are working properly on the ship?
Yun nga, we follow the checklist on board and the system are checked by designated time of checking it. Lagi naman yung nasa checklist para wala mo yung kung ayos pa yung mga system na.
Six na, sir. Do you and the crew get safety training or updates regularly?
Yes, on board we have a lot of trainings like drills, safety meetings, safety education for our safety.
Sir, yung last question po namin is, sir, can you tell a story or your experience about a safety problem that happened on the ship and how
you
it was
fixed it?
fixed?
Paano nyo po naayos, sir, yung ganong problem?
Ang experience ko lang bali sa security threat like robbery. Ang kuray kami sa may Peru. Isang fishing vessel fishing boat ang lumalapit sa may bandang proa. May paikot yung duty AB, nakita niya at nireport niya agad dito sa duty officer. Kaya naging solusyon ng chief officer namin ng SSO na kailangan double watch lagi ngayon ang lahat ng naka-duty, double watch, civil NG.
Sir, doon na po, that's all na po, din na po namin tatapusin